Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Practice English Daily, where learning English is simple, fun, and real. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Alex. Hello, everyone. So happy to see you here again.
Alex, I need to ask you something. Honestly.
Okay, this sounds serious. Go ahead.
Have you ever felt like you understand English perfectly, but when you try to speak, your mind just goes blank?
Oh, wow. Yes, that was me for a long time. I could watch movies, listen to podcasts, even understand YouTube videos, but when I tried to speak, nothing came out.
Exactly. And if you feel like this, today's episode is made for you.
Today, we're going to fix this problem.
Not next week,
Not next month.
but starting today.
We're sharing 10 powerful tips that will help you speak English confidently and naturally.
So stay with us, and let's begin. Tip number 1. Stop passive listening.
Passive listening is when English is just background noise. You're scrolling your phone, cooking, or cleaning, and English is just there.
You understand a little, but your brain is not fully engaged.
Exactly, and this will not help you speak.
So what should you do?
Active listening.
Listen carefully, pause, repeat. This is called shadowing.
Shadowing, like my shadow on the ground?
Exactly. You try to repeat the speaker's words as you hear them. Start small, one sentence at a time.
Can you give a real example?
Sure. Imagine a sentence in a podcast. I am going to the supermarket now. Step 1, listen carefully. Step 2, pause. Step 3, repeat out loud. I am going to the supermarket now.
So I'm not just hearing English, I'm producing English. My mouth and brain are training together.
Exactly. And don't worry about being perfect. The goal is your voice moving.
Tip number 2, stop translating in your head.
This is very common. Learners think in their first language, then translate, then try to speak.
By that time, the conversation is gone.
Yes, you become too slow and your brain freezes.
So what's the solution?
Start thinking in English. Try this. Step 1, look around. What do you see? Step 2, describe it in English in your head first. Step 3, speak it out loud.
Can you give me a real example?
Sure. You're in your kitchen. Instead of translating in your head, just think directly in English. I am making coffee. I need a cup. Where is the milk?
Oh, so my brain skips translation and goes straight to English.
Exactly. It trains your brain to respond fast.
Tip number 3, think in simple English.
You don't need big, complicated words. Start with simple sentences.
Examples:
I am walking. I am drinking coffee. I feel tired.
simple but powerful.
Right. Do this every day, and your brain will gradually adapt to think in English automatically.
I can try this while doing daily activities. For example, I am opening the door. I am sitting down. I am checking my phone.
Perfect. And here's a tip. Even add emotions to make it more real. I feel happy. I am excited to start my day.
Tip number 4, talk to yourself.
Okay, this sounds a little crazy.
Only a little, but it works wonders.
How do I do it exactly?
Simply narrate your day. Talk about what you are doing, thinking, or feeling. For example, if you are in your kitchen.
I am making breakfast. I need a plate. I will pour some juice. I feel hungry.
So I'm my own speaking partner.
Exactly. This builds confidence. Your brain practices producing English, not just understanding it.
That's interesting. And I can make it fun too, right? Like pretending I'm talking to a friend or even a pet.
Perfect. The key is to make it real for your brain. Even a little silliness is okay.
Okay, I'll try. I am sitting in my studio. I am talking to Sahra. I feel excited. I hope the viewers are learning.
Excellent. That's your English mode. Try it for 5 to 10 minutes every day.
Tip number 5, stop memorizing single words.
Words alone are not enough to speak fluently. You need phrases, full expressions, things you can use immediately.
Can you give an example?
Of course, don't just learn hungry, learn I'm really hungry right now.
That makes sense. So instead of think, I learn I think that's a great idea.
Exactly. These phrases are ready-to-use tools for your brain.
Oh, so when I speak, I don't have to think about grammar every time. I just use the chunk and my brain can focus on the next idea.
Yes, and here's a tip. When you watch a movie or listen to a podcast, write down useful phrases, not single words. Try to use them tomorrow in your talk to yourself practice.
That's like building a toolbox for English.
Exactly, and your toolbox grows every day. Tip number 6, learn chunks of language.
Wait, isn't that the same as the last tip?
Not exactly. Tip 5 is about avoiding single words. Tip 6 is about actively memorizing ready-made chunks you can use fast.
Can you give me examples?
Sure, common chunks. You know what I mean? That's a good point. Let me think. That's interesting.
Ah, so instead of building a sentence word by word, I use these chunks like shortcuts.
Exactly. Chunks save time, make your English sound natural, and give your brain space to plan the next idea.
Oh, so when I speak, I don't have to think about grammar every time. I just use the chunk and my brain can focus on the next idea.
Yes, and here's a tip. When you watch a movie or listen to a podcast, write down useful phrases, not single words. Try to use them tomorrow in your talk to yourself practice.
That's like building a toolbox for English.
Exactly, and your toolbox grows every day. Tip number 7, speak every single day.
Even if it's just 5 or 10 minutes. But I am so busy, Sahra. I have work and errands.
That's okay. Consistency is more important than duration. 5 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week.
I see, like practicing a sport or piano.
Exactly. Speaking English is like a muscle. You must train it daily or it becomes weak.
So even talking to myself counts?
Absolutely. Every sentence counts. Even thinking aloud in English is practice.
Okay, don't thung.
Pause 2 seconds. Tip number 8, record your voice.
Oh no, I hate hearing my voice.
That's normal, but it's one of the most powerful tools. You become your own teacher.
How do I start?
Ask yourself a question and answer it out loud. For example, what did I do today? Then record your answer. Listen carefully. Notice what sounds good and what you can improve.
So mistakes are okay.
Absolutely. Mistakes are proof that you are learning.
Okay, I will try. Today I woke up, I made breakfast, I worked on my project, I felt happy.
Perfect. Record daily and notice your progress week by week.
That is motivating. I can actually hear improvement.
Tip number 9, make mistakes.
Yes, many learners are afraid of mistakes. They think mistakes are bad. I always think grammar mistakes will make people laugh.
That's normal, but here's a secret. Mistakes are your best friends in learning.
My friends, not red marks on my test.
Yes, your friends. Each mistake means you are trying. Each mistake is proof of courage.
Wow, that changes my mindset. So I should just speak even if it's not perfect.
Exactly. Fluency comes after mistakes, not before. The goal is communication, not perfection.
I love that. I will make friends with my mistakes.
Tip number 10, practice responding.
Listening is easy. Responding quickly is hard.
That's the skill. Real conversations are two-way. Listen, speak, listen, speak.
How can I practice if I don't have a partner?
Several ways. 1, use your phone or AI chatbot to ask and answer questions. 2, do role plays alone. Pretend you're in a restaurant, airport, or job interview. 3, practice thinking in English and respond out loud immediately.
Can you show me a quick role-play example?
Sure. Imagine a cafe. Waiter, hello, what would you like to order? Customer, I'd like a pizza, please. Waiter, great choice. And to drink? Customer, water, please.
That's fun. It's like improvising.
Yes, your brain practices thinking and speaking at the same time. When you're in a real situation, it won't freeze.
Freezing is the big problem for me.
Exactly. Role plays train your brain to respond naturally and confidently. Let's quickly review all 10 tips and do practice exercises together.
Okay, I'm ready.
Tip number 1. Active listening and shadowing. Repeat short sentences from podcasts or videos.
Got it. Repeat and shadow the sentences to train your brain.
Tip number 2. English mode. Talk to yourself for 5 to 10 minutes.
Even just 5 minutes counts. Consistency is the key.
Tip number 3. Think in simple English. Use short, clear sentences.
Keep it simple. I am walking. I am drinking coffee. Small sentences work.
Tip number 4. Talk to yourself. Narrate your day or feelings.
Like, I am opening the door. I am sitting down. I feel happy.
Tip number 5. Learn phrases. Don't memorize single words. Learn useful expressions.
Yes, phrases help your brain speak faster.
Tip number 6. Learn chunks. Ready-made phrases for fast speaking.
Chunks like, you know what I mean, or that's a good point.
Tip number 7. Speak every day. Even 5 minutes counts.
Every sentence counts. Practice daily.
Tip number 8. Record your voice. Listen and improve gradually.
Mistakes are okay. Recording helps me hear improvement.
Tip number 9. Make mistakes. Embrace mistakes as proof of learning.
Each mistake is a friend helping me grow.
And finally, tip number 10. Practice responding. Train your brain to answer naturally.
Pause 2 seconds. Let's do a mini practice. Everyone repeat after us. I feel happy today. That's a good point. I am learning English and I am brave.
Pause 2 seconds. Now, quick role play. Imagine at the airport. Staff, can I see your ticket, please? You, yes, here it is. Staff, do you have any luggage? You, yes, 1 bag.
Pause 2 seconds. See how your brain reacts automatically.
Remember, English is already in your head. These tips are the bridge from understanding to speaking.
I feel confident. I can start speaking today.
You can. Start small, practice every day, and make friends with mistakes.
Thank you, Sahra. These tips are amazing.
You're welcome. And thank you to all our viewers for listening. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and never fear mistakes.
Pause 2 seconds. Soft, inspirational tone. And now, tell us in the comments which tip will you try first? Shadowing, talking to yourself, or recording your voice?
We love reading your answers. Share your progress with us.
Until next time, keep learning and keep speaking English.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing and see you in the next episode.